Hello subscribers and my dear students. As we know that we are going through the pandemic of COVID-19, so I request you to be safe at home and use all the precautions. Today I am back with another interesting video. Hope you learn from it. Let's start. Dear students, today I am here with an interesting subject for 6th semester, that is marketing of service. Okay, when we say marketing of service, let us first of all define what is service. Service can be defined an activity or series of activities which take place in interactions with a contact person or a physical machine, and which provides consumer satisfaction. Okay, according to American Marketing Association, in 1960 has defined services as an activity, benefit, okay, or satisfaction which are offered for sale or provided in connection with the sale of goods. Let us discuss about the features of services. The first feature is intangibility. Intangibility means that unlike goods and services can't be touched or felt, tasted or smelled, even cannot be purchased beforehand. Okay, it means it is intangible in nature. Okay, intangible in the sense it cannot be seen or touched. Second, it is inseparability. Inseparability suggests that services are produced, distributed and consumed simultaneously. For example, in a manufacturing goods, production takes place in production unit. Thereafter, the goods are kept in inventory and transported to distribution outlet, from where consumer pick up them for consumption. That means all services are interconnected. Cannot be separated. Third, it is heterogeneity. That means services delivered generally vary in quality, time consumed or the extent of which services are provided. Here people deliver most services, they are variable. They are generally in quality and time. And number 4, it is perishability. That means services cannot be stored. Now let us understand the meaning of marketing of service. Marketing of service is the integrated system of business activities designed to plan, price, promote and distribute appropriate service for the benefit of existing and potential customer to achieve organizational objective. This is a meaning of marketing of service. If we go by other meanings, marketing of services refers to the application of different set of tactics or strategies to anticipate the consumer's needs for an intangible product. Again, intangible product to meet their requirements. Yes, accordingly to create maximum value for them from their purchase. The main objective of marketing of service are to achieve organizational goals like making profits, establishing leadership, okay, long-term survival, and growth and satisfaction. Growth and satisfaction of for whom? For customer or consumer, by rendering excellent services. Let us discuss the characteristics of marketing of services. Number one, intangibility. Okay, here the services we cannot touch because they are not physical objects. A customer feels that he has the right and the opportunity to see, touch, hear, smell or taste the good before they buy them. But this is not applicable to services. The services are not known to the customer before they take them away. Okay, and example is mobile networks providers such as Jio, Airtel, etc. Second, we have perishability. Yes, when it comes to perishability, the value of service exists at the point when it is required. Value of service exists at a point when required. Okay, here services perish as soon as they are used. Services last for specific time and cannot be stored like a product for later use. And the example is airline service. Okay, airline service can only sell ticket prior to departure of aircraft. Next we have inseparability. Service cannot be separated from services cannot be separated. Okay, and service provider would become an integral part of service. Service providers become integral part. And main theme is that production and consumption services goes hand by hand. Okay, next is for the example is taxi operator. Okay, for taxi operator, the driver who drives the taxi and the passenger who use it. Now next we have heterogeneity. The quality of service cannot be standardized. It says that the quality of services cannot be standardized. Systems and procedures are put into a place to make sure that service providers are consistent, and service firms should make effort to deliver high and consistent quality by selecting goods and qualified personnel for rendering the services. Okay, for example, it is about the live concerts, or for example Comedy Night with Kapil, comedy nights. Okay, what is the main theme is that the service firm should make effort to deliver high and consistent quality by selecting good and qualified personnel for rendering the services. Okay, next is the 5 ownership. In sale of good and after completion of process of the goods are transferred in the name of the buyer and he becomes the owner of the goods, but he cannot own the services. He can own the goods but cannot own the services. Okay, and in case of services, the user can only use the access of services here. Is it clear? Means, but in the case of services, the user can only have access to services, and the example is gym membership. Okay, so we discussed today what is service. Okay, then what are the features of service, then we discuss the meaning of marketing of service. These are the other definition of marketing of service. We discuss one objective of marketing of service, then we discuss about the characteristics of marketing of services. Hope you like my video. Tomorrow I'll be back with another video. Kindly subscribe my channel for next update.